Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix content issues for Shopify. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, log into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're in, navigate to the online store section on the left sidebar. Click on Themes to view your current theme settings. Locate the theme you're using and click on Actions. From the drop-down menu, select Edit Code. In the code editor, you'll see a list of theme files on the left. Look for the Sections folder and click to expand it. Select the product template.liquid file for editing. Now, review the content within the file for any issues. Check for incorrect image URLs or missing descriptions. Next, look for any outdated product information. If you find any errors, make the necessary corrections. Once changes are complete, click the Save button in the top right corner. Return to the online store section and select Pages. Review all existing pages for content issues. Edit any pages that require updates or corrections. Check the blog posts section as well for outdated or incorrect content. Make necessary edits to ensure product and blog information is accurate. Now, navigate to Settings in the lower left corner. Select SEO to optimize your content for better visibility. Update title and meta descriptions for your pages and products. Finally, preview your changes by visiting your store's front end. Ensure all content is displaying correctly and is free of issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.